Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set live wallpaper on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone and in the search bar just search TikTok. Now just download this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. From here, just tap on allow and select the options you'd like from here. Now just tap on next. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon at the lower right corner on your smartphone. From here, just tap on log in. Now just select your Gmail. From here, wait a few seconds for your smartphone to log into your account. Now just tap on allow. From here, just tap on the profile icon one more time. Now just tap on this X icon and tap on continue. Now just tap on the three lines at the upper right corner on the display and tap on settings and privacy. From here, if you scroll down, you will get the option for wallpaper. Just tap on it. From here, just tap on find wallpapers. From here, just scroll down and download the live wallpaper you want. For example, I will select this one. And from here, just tap on the share button from here. Now just swipe to the left side and tap on set as wallpaper. Now just tap on install. Now just install the TikTok Live Wallpaper app. Now it will take a few seconds to download the app on your smartphone. From here, once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now just tap on open TikTok to set wallpaper. Now as you can see, this is the wallpaper we have selected. Just tap on it. From here, just tap on set as wallpaper and tap on apply. Now you have the option to set it as your home screen or the home screen and lock screen wallpaper. I will select home screen only. From here, as you can see, applied successfully. Now if you go to your home screen, you can see that we have successfully applied a live wallpaper on our smartphone. And this is how you can set live wallpaper on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.